Lately, I've been making my own tortillas at home. They're actually quite easy to do and they taste amazing. You've just got to get your flours right. So for a homemade tortilla, I'm going to be using this wholemeal plain flour. It's a strong, high protein flour, so we're going to get great results for our tortillas. So I'll pop that into a bowl. It's about 1.5 cups, along with 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, a pinch of salt. And we just want to combine the dry ingredients together. Then we add some olive oil. So 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil that I'll measure out. And I like to use my hands for this and just start to incorporate that oil into the flour. And then little by little, I'll start to add some of my water. Now the water needs to be lukewarm and you just want to add enough for this to form a sticky dough. So keep kneading it and a little more water. And then once that comes together and forms a ball, all we need to do is place a damp tea towel over the top and let it rest for 20 minutes. Okay, this dough has been resting for 20 minutes. Have a look at it. It's lovely and soft. And now we just need to knead it onto a bench. So just a little bit of extra wholemeal flour and give that a knead again, just so we get it extra soft before we portion it. Okay, that's looking good. Now we're going to cut this into 6 portions. And then again, working with 1 portion at a time, roll it into a ball. Now, once we've rolled this into a ball, we can start rolling these out and cooking them. So all you do is just roll out, turn the dough and roll again. And by doing this, we're going to get a pretty good circle. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect as long as it tastes good. Have a look at these tortillas. See all these little bubbles? That is a really good sign. And they really only need about 30 seconds on each side. And then they're ready to fill. I mean, you can use these with classic pulled pork or just keep it super light like I'm going to be doing. I love to add a little goat's cheese to this. So we'll just crumble that up on top. Some pumpkin. Caramelised onions for some sweetness, and we'll just dress it with a little of that peppery rocket along with some extra virgin olive oil over the top. That is such a delicious light dinner or even a lunch. Homemade tortillas, nothing compares.